All right, so this is the cheat code to solving multi-step equations. So I really want you to understand that you want to know how to solve equations by hand, especially if you are planning to go to college. Your first math class, you will have to know how to do this stuff without a calculator and by hand. But I want to get you ready for the STAR exam because you take that in May, and I want you to be able to pass it and take it one time and one time only. So if you having a hard time or if you want to check yourself on how to solve an equation, this is what you do. Okay. So you are gonna go to Desmos. You're gonna go to Desmos, and I just put in Desmos Star Calculator and clicked it. And it's also in your Schoology. It should be the first thing in your Schoology at the very top. Desmos testing calculator. But let's say you didn't go that way and you just Googled it. That's fine. Okay. It's gonna come up, and the assignment you have to do is this one in IXL. So let's look. Let's um, go to the note. Wait, this is not the one. This is the one. Sorry about that. This one. All right. So all you do is take one side of the equal sign and put y equals with it, and then you take the other sign and put y equals with it. So I would put y equals, and I gotta write it down. Y equals 2 parentheses z plus 2 and y equals 8. And I put that in Desmos. Y equals 2 parentheses z plus 2. And then the other one would be y equals 8. And then I look for where they intersect. They intersect here. And I click it. And I put the x value because I'm looking for x. So it is 2. My answer would be 2. Then 2. And I do the same thing here. I would put this part here. Sorry. This part here. Y equals that. Y equals 2 parentheses k plus negative 2 minus negative 7, which you should know by now is just plus 7, and y equals 9. Go to Desmos. You could type it over. I'm just writing it up. Erasing it and writing it over. T k plus negative 2 minus negative 7. And then y equals 9. I look for where they intersect. Remember, you can zoom in, zoom out. Look for their intersection. And they intersect at 3, 9. So then my answer would be 3. Okay. That's the cheat code. So if you want to check and make sure your answer is right, or if you want to just do it that way for right now, that is fine. But just remember, for your upper level math classes, for you to go to college, you need to know how to do this by hand. Okay? That's it.